Hi guys, now back in today's video. This is gonna be my second upload of the day. I did already do this one, but then the audio got corrupted, so I'm not wearing my headset because for some reason it just wasn't working. So now I asked my friend, who is a subscriber, what he wanted me to do next, and said this is it. So if I laugh, the first person to write a comment in the comment section and say that they liked and subscribed, I'll pay them a $5. So I'm basically going to try not to laugh at all.
It's in you. How can you be running? How can you be running? It's in you. It's in you.
Just doing some review for my test. Just remember, one way to read faster is to read faster.
Back at it again at Krispy Kreme. Hold on, something's coming out of here. Look, there's a bird, dude. It knows what's good. Tony, I just heard it inside.
I'm going to scare a bird or make this first try.
More Rubicund. Daria?
What is Rotunda Road?
No.
Oh, she's got shut down.
Let's go! Don't push this button. Because that will set off the bomb immediately and we'll all be dead. Now repeat back what I just said.
See, this is what's wrong with your generation. It's a beautiful day outside, and you're sat in front of the TV.
Literally every parent ever. This does it so messy. And then we got 15%. Let's act like as if nothing happened.
With this camera, I shoot pictures of people who don't drink Wilkins coffee. I'm ready. Shoot. Anybody else?
What the hell was that?
I told you. You'd die for that.
That's what I'm thinking what should have been like. I love that one. Oh, I love this one.
love you, Mr. Buzz. Do you love me too? No? No. I think you love me.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
She's a wolf in mouse clothing. The mouse's ghostly howl stakes claim to
Not allowed on the beaches or in the parks outside certain hours. So how is it that these two are roaming their neighbourhood, frightening the locals, and the council isn't stopping it?
Yesterday morning, I came out into the front yard and the dogs were across the road. And as soon as they saw me, they came bounding over. And I just made it into the front door in time.
Ray Graham is a
These creatures were here before us. And if we're not careful, they're gonna be here after. Welcome to Jurassic World.
Imagine if that was just like Jurassic World.
From the makers of one of the most successful dramas in recent history comes the follow-up series, The Slap, Part 2.
You know what? They'd already started repairs, so we couldn't even take it anywhere else. $2.5 grand later, and then... Hey, what's going on?
It's mine, Daddy. Noah keeps taking away from me.
Noah, give it back.
No.
Noah, give it back.
No.
I said give it back now. Noah! Larry, what the hell did you do?
Larry!
Larry, you can't just... Oh,
Larry! Oh, are you all right? How did...
Barry! Righto, what's going on here?
Oh, sir, I'm arrested.
What if only it was that easy.
The Slap, Part 2, coming soon to Fox. Ow! What the...
When I finally got down here to the house to look see what happened, the door was standing wide open. It looked like he was packing up for a yard sale. He was lying, throwing his hands. He did pull a gun on me when I got back around the house because I guess he thought I was upset with him. Who steals a cheese grater? He's got the words, Lysol. He stole an empty bottle of spray. What got me the most was my soap. He stole my soap. Who steals soap?
CBS 2's Serene
Maybe
Branson is live at the
then
Staples Center
do
with
it tonight.
highlights and backstage
Eventually.
coverage we're seeing for the very first time. Serene.
I'll take him
Well, a
Pokemon.
very, very heavy divertation tonight. We had a very Darrison fight. Let's go to Terrace Chase and look for the head of the pit. And the Grammy goes...
Ooh, Lord, my poops are too big.
Hey, it's me, Desta. Welcome to Smarter Every Day. Have you ever just sat down and taken a really close look at nuts? I've been doing that for the last few minutes.
I love refrigerators.
I actually thought that was Kim Jong-un for a second. Right, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hopefully it was around average time, 8 to 10 minutes. And don't you guys forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell, and leave a comment in the comment section down below what you guys want me to do next. If it's games, reacting to YouTubers, different challenges, anything like that. And don't forget to leave the comment down below first, so you can get that fiver. Alright, see you guys in the next one.